let's...
Cheese!
Peeps marshmallow. Eh. Just one each. Oh, just one. Oh, good. Put it there. Put it in your plate. Do you love it? It's okay. We will wash that later. Just eat. Ooh, you eat the head. What color is that?
Purple.
Can you count how many is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. That's my baby. You get one. Is it yummy?
Mama turn.
Yummy. Mommy's turn. Okay, Mommy will get one. Mine don't have head anymore.
Oh.
Do you think you can eat that all?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me more, Mommy. Now.
Yeah, after you eat that all, we still have more.
Mommy, don't eat.
The name is Peeps Marshmallow, and the color is
Purple.
purple. So after she study, she have a treat. She is eating marshmallow. Yeah, you love it. Well, just sit down there. You need to eat right there. Because after that, we need to wash your hands, okay?
Wash hands?
Yeah, after you eat. Because we don't want that you scattered all the marshmallow all over your room. You want your room to be clean, right? Oh.
Just more.
Clearly stated here, 10 chicks. So that's a chicks. Not a bird, but it's bird chicks.
Mama's pretty.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Oh,